Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. My name is Dr. Imran Hamza Alawiye, and I'm the author of the Gateway to Arabic series. Ahlan wa sahlan bikum. Marhaban. Welcome to my channel. This series is for those who have gained competence in reading and writing the Arabic script. If you wish to learn how to read and write Arabic easily and quickly, please watch my videos entitled Arabic from the Beginning Part 1. This series, however, is going to be based on Book 2 of Gateway to Arabic. So please buy a copy of this book from my website www.gatewaytoarabic.com. Without any further ado, let's start our lesson 1. Lesson 2 start on page 2 of the Gateway to Arabic Book 2. On page 2, you see the heading gender. And the reason we are going to start with gender is this. In Arabic, nouns and adjectives are assigned to gender, masculine, mudhakkar, or mu'annath, feminine. This is very important because there are a lot of implications actually riding on understanding this. But that will become more apparent as we cruise along during our series. Let's start with the list on page 2. You are reading from right to the left across the page. Let's make the two lists. One section this side will be for mudhakkar, masculine, and the other side will be for mu'annath, and then we'll talk about it. Right, let's start with that. So if we write heading here, mudhakkar, mudhakkarun. So that's our heading. And this side, we're going to put mu'annath. Mu'annath. Mu'annathun. Okay, let's put line there as well. Now, here, I am representing Arabic, the Arabic with transliteration, meaning using Latin script to represent Arabic. But the best way really is to rely only on using Arabic script. And of course I have translation as well. So let's start with the first list on the mudhakkar side, which is masculine. The first one is kitab. Kitab, kitabun. And the first on the feminine side, which is mu'annath, is saburatun. Saburatun. Kitabun, that means a book. Saburatun means a board or blackboard, if you like. This is here. We have kitabun, a book. Saburatun, a blackboard. One more. The next under the mudhakkar list is daftarun. Daftarun. Sukun, ta, and run. Daftarun. So we have daftarun, an exercise book or notebook. Daftarun. And under the mu'annath section, feminine, the second word is a table. Tawilatun. 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 One more. Under the mudhakkar, masculine, we have a pen. Qalamun. 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 And under the feminine, which is mu'annath, we have a stapler. Dabbasatun. 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 So let's pause for a minute. We have kitabun, a book. Saburatun, a board. Daftarun, an exercise book. And we have tawilatun, a table. Qalamun, a pen. And dabbasatun, a stapler. Now, let's look at the how do we know which one is mudhakkar and which one is mu'annath if I did not put them under correct title or heading? There is a clue. In Arabic, any noun or an adjective ending in ta marbuta, this type of ta, or this type of ta is called ta marbuta. So one is this shape and the other one is this shape. That's a huge and very important sign to identify the gender of a noun. Ta marbuta, which means tied up ta, and that's different from ta maftuha or ta mabsuta. Ta maftuha is this one, an open ta. This is not a sign of feminine in a noun or an adjective. We will come to that later on in the series. But when you see a noun, a word if you like, ending with ta marbuta, this shape, and that shape happens when you have a letter which can be extended forward. Then we join ta marbuta, this shape. If ta marbuta comes after a letter which is not allowed to be extended forward, such as ra, there are 6 of those letters: alif, dal, dhal, ra, zain, and waw. When ta marbuta comes after any of those 6 letters, it will be written this way. Important thing is when you see that ta marbuta, you can safely assume that that particular word is feminine or is regarded as feminine in Arabic. So, anytime you see ta marbuta, just tell me to say, this is mu'annath. And if you don't see ta marbuta, say this is mudhakkar. This is masculine. Furthermore, you may hear some people say, why are you saying kitabun? Why can't you say kitab, daftar, and so on? Yes, you can say that, but as a learner, and in this classroom, I want you to pronounce all the sounds, all the case ending for me. This is essential when you are learning, because later on, you will know your starting point when you start saying case ending changing into a or e or an or in and so on. So pronounce everything for me, please. Kitabun, daftarun, qalamun, saburatun. People say, why you say saburatun? You can just say sabura. But you don't know, if you say sabura, you don't know there's ta marbuta hiding there. You're a learner. So pronounce everything. Saburatun, tawilatun, dabbasatun. We will explain what's happening as we go along. This is a starting, this is a serious classroom. This is not learning phrases. No, this class is for those who want to learn and master modern standard Arabic, MSA. And they want to learn grammar and so on. So if you want to learn just the phrases and so on, you can watch my other videos. It's called Let's Speak Arabic Unit 1, Let's Speak Arabic Unit 2. Plenty there. But those who really want to learn Arabic, they want to know the DNA of Arabic, the structure of it, and to be able to master modern standard Arabic, which is understood across the Arab world. This is the class for you. This is your opportunity. Give me your commitment. Inshallah, I do my best to simplify it for you. And just bear with me. Buy your book. I have plenty in this series. We have book 1, book 2, book 3, book 4, book 5, book 6, book 7, and so on. So you don't need book 1 because you can read, and assuming that you can read and write Arabic. So that's why we're starting book 2. Okay, let's continue. Now, so we have qalamun. Next is, under the mudhakkar, is a desk, which is maktabun. 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 And under the muannath section is a pencil sharpener. Barrayatun. 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 Some call mibratun, but it's fine. Barrayatun or mibratun, but barrayatun is fine. So maktabun, barrayatun. Next, under the mudhakkar section is a chair. Kursiyun. Let's write kursiyun here. Kursiyun. Kursiyun. And under the muannas section, the next is mimhatun. An eraser, mimhatun. An eraser or rubber, mimhatun. Mimha. So mimhatun. With marbuta. You can see this shape because it comes after alif. Next on the mudhakkar section, after the kursi, is a box. Sundukun. 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 Let's look at the next under the muannath is a ruler. Mistaratun. 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 A ruler. Next, under our mudhakkar section, is a pair of scissors. A pair of scissors. Miqassun. 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 Pair of scissors. Miqassun. And under the muannath section, the next should be a bag. Haqibatun. 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 حقيبة. حقيبة. We have مقص, a pair of scissors. حقيبة, a bag. Next one. The last one, the section of the masculine, which is مذكر, is a computer. A computer. حاسوب. The computer. حاسوب. 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 A computer. And the last one under the mu'annath section is a ball. كرة. كرة. A ball. كرة. Let's write it here. كرة. So squeeze it a little bit where you can identify easily. So كرة. كرة. A ball. Here we have your first set of vocabulary. Please make for yourself a set of flashcards. Write Arabic on one side, English the other side, and learn these for me, please. Shall we stop here for now to make sure it's short and sweet? But please go on, do your homework for me. Ahsantum. Well done. مع السلامة. Goodbye. إلى اللقاء. Until we meet again.